Jack, where is my wallet?
Did you check your handbag?
Yes, I checked it, but it's not there.
Did you leave it on the table?
No, I don't see it there.
Maybe it's in the kitchen.
I looked in the kitchen already.
Did you check the bedroom?
Not yet.
Let's look there.
Okay.
Is it on the bed?
No, it's not on the bed.
Check the drawer.
No, it's not in the drawer.
Maybe it's in the living room.
Let's go and see.
Look under the sofa.
Okay, I'm looking.
Did you find it?
No, it's not here.
Check behind the chair.
Wait a minute.
What do you see?
I found something.
Is it your wallet?
Yes. It's my wallet.
Great.
I'm so happy.
I'm glad you found it.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
I was really worried.
Don't worry. It happens.
I always lose things.
Maybe keep your wallet in the same place.
That's a good idea.
Then it will be easier to find.
Yes, you are right.
Problem solved.
Thanks again, Jack.
Anytime, Emma.
I will be more careful next time.
Good plan.
I feel much better now.
Me too.
Good morning, Jack.
Good morning, Emma.
Do you have any plans today?
Not really. Why?
I need to go shopping.
What do you need to buy?
I need some food for the week.
I need a few things too.
Do you want to come with me?
Sure. That sounds good.
Great. Let's go.
Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I do.
What is on your list?
Milk, bread, eggs, and apples.
I need rice and chicken.
Okay. Let's get a cart.
Good idea.
The bread is over there.
Let's get some bread first.
Okay.
How many loaves do you need?
Just one.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Now let's get some milk.
I see it.
Which one do you want?
This one is fine.
Great.
Now I need eggs.
They are in that aisle.
Thank you.
Did you find them?
Yes, I did.
What else do you need?
Apples.
The fruit section is over there.
Let's go.
These apples look fresh.
Yes, they do.
I will get some too.
Good idea.
I think I have everything.
Me too.
Let's go to the cashier.
Okay.
That was easy.
Yes, it was.
Are you ready to go home?
Yes, I am.
Let's go.
Thanks for coming with me.
You're welcome, Emma.
Shopping is more fun with a friend.
I agree.
Oh my goodness, Sam. Is that really you?
Lena. Wow, it's been years.
How long has it been? 3 years? 4?
At least 3. You look amazing.
So do you. What have you been up to?
I moved to Barcelona last year.
No way. I always knew you'd end up somewhere exciting.
And you? Are you still working at the design studio?
Actually, no. I started my own business in January.
Seriously? That's so brave. How is it going?
Slowly but surely. I love it though.
We have to catch up properly. Coffee this week?
Absolutely. I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Hi. Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, thank you. Oh, actually, do you sell olive oil?
Yes. It's in aisle 7, near the pasta.
I'll grab it quickly. Sorry.
No problem. Take your time.
Here I am. Sorry about that.
Not at all. Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Your total is 18 euros 40.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Just tap here.
Done. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi. I think there's a mistake on my account.
I can help you with that. What's the issue?
I was charged twice for the same purchase yesterday.
I see. What is the amount?
45 euros, charged twice.
Can I have your card number or account details?
Sure. It's account number 887234.
Thank you. I can see two identical charges here.
Yes, that's the problem. Can you refund one of them?
Absolutely. I'll process the refund now. It takes 3 to 5 days.
That's fine. Thank you for solving this quickly.
Of course. Is there anything else I can help with?
Good morning. What can I help you with?
Hi. My car is making a strange noise when I brake.
I'll call you